Hey guys, today I'll show you the unboxing of the Vivo V21 5G. On the front, you can see the phone's name, and at the back, specifications of the phone like camera and design. So let's open the box. First, we have Vivo V21 5G comes with a bezel-less water drop notch display. The phone has a 64 megapixel triple camera setup at the back with Vivo branding at the bottom left. The phone looks very stylish. Next, we have a SIM ejector tool, documentation like important information and warranty card, and product technical specifications. Next, we have a silicone back cover which will protect your phone. Now, we have a USB Type-C cable for charging the phone and transferring the data. We have a 2-pin wall charger with 33 watt of fast charging. In addition, the company also provides earphones. So guys, that's all you get inside the Vivo V21 5G box. Thank you so much for watching this video.